Hello, sir. Hope you are enjoying the AI Innovation Summit 2026 organized by Schneider Electric. Can you please share your take on the overall event?
So this entire event organized by Schneider Electric on energy intelligence and it's the Innovation Summit. I think it's very helpful in understanding how AI is transforming the entire world. And especially in India, we are uh, working towards number of data centers, number of different energy sectors are booming. And in this context, how Schneider has actually transformed the entire energy sector from electromechanical switches to now software defined instruments and data centers, and especially creating a data cube in which all the different sensors are sensing it, the thinking about it, and then further they are acting also. So the interconnection of the devices together with each other, and this is something which is very essential in the current scenario for the data centers and very critical, mission critical infrastructures. Because there what happens that you are able to gather a lot of data, you are able to visualize, but you are still dependent on your manual interventions. Here Schneider is coming into place with a proposition that they will provide the complete unified data structure in which the data is actually processed, and now instead of just doing the preventive maintenance, you can also do the predictive analysis, and the system itself tries to automate things and tries to rectify the errors well in advance. It is able to sense the systems when the systems are in stress rather than some catastrophic event happening. So I think the overall theme was very nice, and how this entire ecosystem is working on the design, simulate, build, and then operate and maintain. So this entire ecosystem is working in this way,